Gavana Manoma County Nairobi Johnson Sakaja owacho ni okobichopo enyiem kamiti manomar od buch Senate manomar duoko penjo mago mabende itude godo. Owacho ni okang' makamano biro mana chopo kare kadiponi ng'ur mago mabende governors nitiere godo obio winji kendo ochop kare giduto te. Kana duoko penjo ewi kanyono mano mabende ne entie kinde mane owinjore ondhiye kod apisas mago bila ne olero ni ne onge pare kata e dalane seche mago mabende apisas go ne ochopo mar mondo mi ondhiye kendo chwale mar mondo mi odhi oduok penjo mago mabende itude godo. Bende ne olero ni ne okopondo kaka osebed ka ilieko.
First of all, I am a very law-abiding citizen. I think I have come to this Senate more than anybody else. This year alone, more than 6 times. Last year, more than 10 times. I have come to answer audit queries from 2015. My predecessors came only once each. Yeah? From 2022, I have answered audit queries from 2015, where I was an MP. I was not even the governor. I have answered all the queries for the second administration, when the governor was different, when I was a senator, until this last one, where the COG themselves had a position saying that because of these outstanding issues, where they have claimed extortion, they've claimed intimidation, etc., let us wait until those are resolved. I think as a leader, what for me is imperative, first of all, is to make it very clear, yeah, that accountability is extremely important. But accountability must be done in the right